So you're trying to surf through Google and find some totally rad information for your research paper? Well, here's a few tips for navigating the endless waves of the internet. Whenever we search for something on Google, Google searches through its ocean of online resources to find pages related to your search. By using specific words and synonyms related to your search, switching up your search terms, and remembering that one search is never enough, this will help you find the best information for your research. For example, if you're doing some research for your sociology class on women and surfing, a good search might be surfing culture and gender. A broader but related search could be women and water sports. Sometimes navigating the waves can be a bit tricky, and you might be tempted to give up after the first search. But we don't find the best wave until we have tried a few times, so don't stop looking for research. Now you're ready to take on any wave coming your way.